Hello, I'm Glyn Rand of pastelcolorcharts.com, and this is me unboxing my new range of Schmincke or Schmincke extra fine soft pastels. This is a lovely range, 400 colours. Quite exciting. I've got the full range of unison pastels already, and I'm buying these specifically to make pastel colour charts for the Schmincke brand. Get it out, boy. Excellent. So it's quite a big box. I have to do this on the living room floor using the help of my son, who's on camera today. Right, let's get into this box. The actual contents are stored within this lovely beechwood storage box. And there's the Schmincke logo on the top of the box there. As I said, there are 400 different colours within this range of pastels. So it contains 4 trays, each with 100 pastels in each tray. Here we go. Ooh, it's quite heavy. Let's get that out of the way. Lovely. Okay, open the catches. That is very smooth. And I think this is a delightful touch. Schmincke have included a pastel chart, so you can record the colours of each tray on a chart. And there it is, ordered from yellow to orange to red to violet. So the colours are ordered around the colour wheel, starting with yellow. That's tray 1, and here's tray 2. Following on through the colour wheel, violet, blues, cool greens. Smashing. Let's put them out side by side and see them all together. These are really lovely pastels. They lay down with a lovely soft buttery texture, very, very similar to the unison pastels. Tray 3 moves from the greens to the earthy colours. And finally tray 4, from the earthy colours through the greys and then onto some special colours such as gold and silver. And there you have it.